Hi everyone, I'm Doug Black, Editor-in-Chief at Inside HPC. We're at the ISC 2022 conference in Hamburg, and with me now is Jay Zhang of Inspur. Tell us about what you're focusing on and talking about at the conference this week.
This week, you mean the machines we displayed this week? We brought the Inspur has a very diverse, you know, computing and AI product lines, and so this week because it's mainly focused on the HPC and the AI, so we brought over our Intel product lines, 1U server, 2U server, GPU server product lines. Those are the very popular dynamic for the HPC and the AI. And also behind us is the AMD product lines. The AMD most popular is the first one over there, the 5488A5, which is our flagship GPU server, composed of 2 AMD CPUs and 8 NVIDIA A100 NVLink GPUs. And the second one is the 4 GPU server, which is very, very popular in the universities and in the research areas. And the third one, this is also AMD version also for computing, for high performance computing based workloads. And also here we have the I-24, which is a high density server. Water cooling, and so we bring in the energy savings in today's market and also in today's economy. Performance is not only factor anymore. How much energy is consumed in each compute, in each workload, also make a very important factor.
Now, Inspur has made a couple of pretty big announcements this week at the conference. One is with NEC Deutschland.
Yeah. So with NEC Deutschland, we've been working together for a couple of years in the HPC and the AI industries. And this week, what we announced is a HPC as a services, which is we're providing with Inspur's GPU server and HPC and high performance computer cluster technologies, combining with NEC's expertise in HPC applications, and that we provided to many of the industry locally. For example, one of the local German automotive manufacturer select our solution, the Inspur and NEC combined solution, and helping them doing the design. When you're making a car or develop a car, the development phase is the most lengthy and costly phase, from the designing, simulations, testings, and the HPC brought the speed and the accuracy for those design and the simulations. So we offered this HPC as a services solution together with NEC, helped customer and reduced the time for the development, for the validation, and also reduce the energy consumptions for that. One of the particular application has very restrict power consumption limits or power consumption restrictions. So we were able to use the restrict or power consumption, however, still achieve the performance that we want to achieve.
Okay, and then tell us about your work with MEGWARE.
Working with MEGWARE, similar like NEC, Inspur is a infrastructure provider, and most time in Europe, in Germany, we work with our partners in the application expertise. So in the MEGWARE is similar. We designed a GPU cluster. This one is for Erlangen-Universität, FAU, which is just announced yesterday, or that they're in the top 500s, and also in the green 500s as well. So again, not only performance, also the energy. So that the cluster name is called Alex. Alex cluster using Inspur's GPU server, which is exactly you see here, this one, and that one. Yeah, combination of those two GPU servers was able to achieve the performance for the universities, the research, and in the same time saving the energies as well. And again, combining Inspur's hardware technologies as well as MEGWARE's HPC expertise.
Okay, well, we've been with Jay Zhang of Inspur. It's been a pleasure talking with you, and have a great rest of your conference.
Thank you.